Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be giving you project overview of Kamdhenu Pinnacle by Kamdhenu located in Nerul East. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location right inside the sales office. Now I'll be taking you outside, showing you the connectivity and neighborhood of this project. But before that, let me tell you what are the points that we're going to be covering in the following video. So we're going to be talking about project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. But before going ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. So as you can see, I'm standing right in front of the sales office. Right behind me is the actual tower as well. Have a look at the actual tower. Also have a look at the neighborhood of the project. This road right here leads you to Eastern Express Highway. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 0.6 acres with single tower, ground plus 21 residential floors with a configuration of 2 and 3 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Sector 13 Nerul near DY Patil with Thane Belapur Road at a distance of just 1 minute, Palm Beach Road at a distance of just 8 minutes and Navi Mumbai International Airport at a distance of just 12 minutes. Eastern Express Highway right in front of the project, as you can have a look. School, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 20 plus luxurious amenities including lap pool, gymnasium, clubhouse, library, kids play area, indoor game zone and many more. Talking about carpet area, this project has two configuration 2 and 3 BHK where 2 BHK ranges from 716 square feet to 741 square feet. And 3 BHK has 881 square feet. Talking about the booking process, their booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where a sales team will help you with the exact project details. We'll also show you the actual flat and the sample flat if available. We'll help you with the payment and EMI schemes. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. The token amount for this project is going to be 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the project overview of Kamdhenu Pinnacle by Kamdhenu located in Nerul Sector 13. To get more information about this very amazing property, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such videos, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.